Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the machine learning development environment in the easiest way. So here as you can see there's nothing. So if I say Jupyter notebook, there's no Jupyter notebook and I don't have even pip here. Let me check my Python version here. My Python version is 2.7. Now what I'm going to do is to install Anaconda. I'm going to explain what is Anaconda after I'm click on the download button of the Anaconda, but let me go to the Anaconda download first. So here, as you can see, there's download Anaconda. So you can go here. This is Mac, and since my Python version was 2.7, I can click on download button here, and you can easily click on the no thanks here. So what is Anaconda? You can click on here actually. So the Anaconda is basically the world's most popular the Python data science platform. So in other words, once you install the Anaconda, you don't have to install manually each data science Python package such as like NumPy, scikit-learn, SciPy, you name it. Even if the Anaconda doesn't have the include some packages you need, then the Anaconda actually gives a simple way to install the package you want, and I will show you during this video. So I got the package here. You can just click on this button and just click next, next, next. It's very simple. Continue, 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 and agree. What else I can do? So install for me only and continue. And this will take some time. So this Anaconda will be installed in your Mac, and once I install this Anaconda, you have almost every packages you need for your data science or machine learning tutorial or for your practice. So it will take some time here. So in the meantime, I can go some TensorFlow maybe, TensorFlow examples. And you can easily find some TensorFlow examples in the internet. So once you have the Anaconda, I'm going to run one of the examples from here. So let me use here what else I can do. Okay, data, multi-GPU, neural network. Let me see here, maybe basic models here. And let me just run what is good here. Okay, logistic regression. So this one is basically using the TensorFlow. I'm going to use the TensorFlow with this Anaconda platform. So here, let me see what's the progress now. Okay, it's writing the file. This installation will take some time. After this installation, I'm going to show you which Python package I have after I install this one. So far there's no pip list, but once I successfully install this Anaconda, then the Anaconda platform will have the pip, and I can use the pip list which Python libraries are installed in my Mac. So it will take some time. It says about 5 minutes. I hope it doesn't take 5 minutes. If it takes so long, then you can just drag the button from the YouTube and just skip it. Okay, here about 4 minutes running package script. Okay, about a minute. Okay, thank you. Alright, it will take some time, but in a minute. Alright, it's almost done, I believe. Okay, then about a minute, please, please, please. It will be done quickly, almost done, less than a minute. Alright, less than a minute. Alright. Okay, good. So now it's installed. I'm going to move this to Trashy. If I say here now pip list, then it's working, right? And as you can see here, I have the same pi or whatever you say, 6 and SciPy, scikit-learn. You may heard about these things many times, right? And there are many things. pip also installed, and NumPy and the pandas, everything is installed for the data science or machine learning. And here, as you can see, there is no TensorFlow. So as I mentioned before, even if you don't have the package in the Anaconda, there's a way you can just easily install the TensorFlow in the Anaconda. So TensorFlow Anaconda. Well, say it, and there should be Anaconda Cloud TensorFlow here. So go here and just copy and paste this command to install in your Anaconda platform. So once you run it, then this will install TensorFlow in the Anaconda platform. This will also take some time, but during this, in the meantime, probably I can do some stuff here. Okay, so I opened another tab here. Let me just type Jupyter Notebook. See, it was not working at the beginning, but now it's working. Some people may know Jupyter, and some people doesn't know about the Jupyter Notebook here, but this one is really good Python, the development platform. So here I'm going to have another video to introduce Jupyter, but let me show you here new and Python 2. So here, as you can see, you can just say print and hello world, and shift enter. I'm clicking shift enter, and as you can see, you can run each line using this shift enter here. I'm going to go over detail of the Jupyter in next video maybe, but in this tutorial I'm going to focus on how we can set up the machine learning and data science platform on your pure Mac here. So let me see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to proceed. So it's going to installing some dependencies and as well as this TensorFlow. As you can see, I'm installing the TensorFlow here, and I'm mostly done. So just in case, I'm going to just close this one first. So I'm going to close it. Yes. Close it. Leave and leave. And I see. Okay, it's almost done. Looks like it's almost done. Once it's done, then I'm going to run one TensorFlow example in the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, it's done. All right, cool. So I'm going to open the Jupyter Notebook again. Jupyter Notebook. And this is a new Jupyter Notebook, and I'm going to click New and Python 2. And the Jupyter Notebook should be ready now with the TensorFlow. So I'm going to open one TensorFlow example here, and I'm going to just copy this one. Copy the code to the end. All right. So I'll copy the code and paste it. So this code is here, and I'm going to just click Shift Enter. So I click the Shift Enter, and if you see this asterisk mark, this star mark here, that means this is running now. So, and as you can see, the result is coming in this Jupyter Notebook. Isn't it cool? So we just installed Anaconda with the TensorFlow in it, and I just copy and paste the TensorFlow code from any GitHub, and it's working perfectly fine. So now you are ready to practice and work on any data science and machine learning with this Anaconda platform. You are ready. Congratulations. And I will see you on the next video with Jupyter Notebook as well. Thank you very much.